Got one. Yeah. Whatever it is, took it hard. It's not fighting hard, but it took it hard. It's a crappie. Excellent. Welcome back to Under a Bobber Fishing. This is Steve. I'm at the Hoover Reservoir today. I'm going to start off with some top water. It is 6:30 in the morning. Alright, well, I got a fish. I didn't get the camera on quick enough, but it's a green sunfish. And I did the whopper plopper for a while and I got nothing. So this is a nice green sunfish here. It's not huge, not like the one I caught yesterday. That was the biggest one of my life, but it was pretty nice. Oh dude, don't you want to fall off here? Can you make it to the, let's see if I can scooch him to the water without hurting him. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. There you go, there you go. Great. Alright. Well, I caught another one. Of course, my line was all twisted. And then I got it stuck. And I had to come out here on the rocks to get it unhooked. And see if I can get back without falling. Man. It might be too old for this. Good grief, man. Good freaking grief. Alright. Sorry that took so long. It is another green sunfish. And he's got it down there pretty deep. Because hopefully I can get it out easily. I have to use my pliers. Alright, got him off. There he is. Thank you, buddy. Got one. What did I get? Whatever it is, he took it hard. It's not fighting hard, but he took it hard. It's a crappie. Excellent. Well, what do you know? Alright, well that makes this all worth it. Look at that guy. Oh, man. They keep coming off right here. I don't want you to come off right here. Come on, buddy. Good grief. Nope. Well, we're going to look at you. You're going to be all dirty. Look, not a big crappie. It's a nice little black crappie. Thank you, buddy. Wow, cool.